Start by applying acupressure to the acupressure points on the ear. Place your thumb directly in front of the triangular-shaped flap of tissue found at the front of each ear. The thumb is used because it covers the most area and will affect all 3 points. Apply pressure to additional acupressure points that promote weight loss. There are a wide variety of other points that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Try a different point, or points, if one makes you uncomfortable or does not give you the results you want. Stay aware of how you are feeling and responding to the pressure. Each person may respond uniquely, depending on their situation. Don't overdo it. Follow an anti-inflammatory diet. Certain foods can help you lose weight. In general, these are known as anti-inflammatory foods, which are used because having extra weight is an inflammatory condition. To follow this diet, switch to organic foods as much as possible. These contain no pesticides or other chemicals, like hormones and antibiotics, that may be related to an increased risk of inflammation. Increase the amounts of vegetables and fruit in your diet. About of your total food should be fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Fruit and vegetables contain high levels of antioxidants, which may decrease inflammation. Increase the amount of fiber in your diet, as fiber can decrease inflammation. You should be aiming for a minimum of 20 to 35 grams of fiber daily. Limit red meat. In fact, try to limit the amount of meat you eat in general. If you do eat beef, make sure it is lean and preferably grass-fed, as this meat has the natural ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fats. If you eat poultry, make sure it is skinless and is raised without hormones or antibiotics. That goes for the red meat as well. Limit your intake of trans and saturated fats. The American Heart Association recommends for overall health that you avoid all trans fats and limit saturated fats to less than 7% of your total daily calories. Saturated fats are most easily avoided by avoiding butter, margarine, and shortening in your cooking. Increase the amount of fish you eat. Fish is good quality protein and has good amounts of the healthier omega-3 fats. Higher omega-3 fat intake is associated with a decreased level of inflammation. Fish with higher levels of omega-3 fats include salmon, tuna, trout, sardines and mackerel. Make sure you include only complex carbohydrates. If you avoid processed foods, you have essentially included only complex carbohydrates. The processing of food breaks down the carbohydrates into the simple carbohydrates. High amounts of simple carbohydrates can increase the levels of inflammation. Begin exercising on a regular basis. Eating well, eating less, and exercising is the only real way to lose weight and to keep it off. However, the exercise doesn't have to be, and shouldn't be, a difficult chore. Start slow by walking more often. Park the car far away, use stairs instead of escalators or elevators, walk the dog, or just plain take a walk. If you want, join a gym and find a fitness coach. Get between 75 to 300 minutes a week of moderate aerobic activity. Aerobic activity is anything that increases your oxygen intake and your heart rate. Examples include running, swimming, hiking, walking, jogging, dancing, martial arts and cycling. Understand the basic concepts of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Acupressure and acupuncture utilize various points along 12 basic meridians in the body. These meridians are energy pathways, which are believed to carry qi, or kai, the Chinese terms for life energy. The basic concept is that illness is caused by a blockage in qi. The needles in acupuncture and the pressure in acupressure can unblock these energy pathways and restore the easy and unimpeded flow of qi. Understand how acupressure can be used to stimulate weight loss. In TCM, weight loss can be encouraged by allowing excess heat and moisture to be expelled and by supporting the organs of digestion. Learn how to apply pressure on acupressure points. Unless the point is on the center of your body, make sure you apply pressure on both sides for the same amount of time. The amount of pressure is generally light to medium. Find a level of pressure you are comfortable with. Never press hard.